Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. So let's solve this question which says the first antibiotic discovered was option A penicillin, option B pectin, option C biotin, option D none of this. So let us understand the question. It says the first antibiotic discovered was. So which was the first antibiotic discovered? So before we talk about the first antibiotic, first of all we have to understand what is an antibiotic. Antibiotic, if you split the word into two, you get two parts. Anti means against, and biotic represents the biotic factor or the living organism. Okay, so these are the components which are produced against certain living organisms. Now, who produces that? Again, living organisms. So these are the components which are produced by living organisms. Okay, produced by whom? They're produced by living organisms and they work against living organisms. That's why they're called as antibiotics. Again, not all antibiotics have the same effect against different organisms. They are specific. And these are utilized to treat any kind of infection. You have different types of antibiotics to treat different infections so as to kill those pathogenic organisms which have caused those infections. Now let us see. The first antibiotic was discovered. Which was the first antibiotic discovered? So if you have to talk about the first antibiotic which was discovered, that was penicillin. Okay, that was penicillin. It was by a great scientist, that is Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming. Okay. Now he discovered this during 1920s. Okay, and actually um, he was working on Staphylococcus bacteria, but he found that there was growth of a particular type of fungus, that is Penicillium notatum. So it is produced by Penicillium notatum. So there are various species of penicillium which can produce penicillin. So this was one of the species which he found, that is he discovered, Alexander Fleming, that it has the capacity to produce penicillin. Okay, so let us see. So option A says penicillin, that is absolutely right. Option B says pectin. Pectin is not an antibiotic, so totally ruled out. Okay, pectin, this is present in the cell wall of plant. Okay, these are present in plant cell wall mainly. Okay, so hence it is ruled out. Option C says biotin. Biotin is a type of vitamin, that is B7. So it is not an antibiotic, so it is ruled out. Option D says none of this, which is again ruled out because we have the correct option, that is, which is the correct option? Option A. So let us conclude. The answer is option A. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.